In this video, we are going to see an amazing technique with which you can convert all of these documents and create a separate table of contents automatically without doing anything. So let's get started. So for example, we have this document. Now we know the pain that whenever you want to manually try to compile table of contents and reference throughout the document, firstly, it takes a lot of time to copy and paste individual headings and then reference them accurately by mentioning the page numbers. And secondly, there are the chances of error in that, especially if you are referencing for the page numbers and you want to reference that as a hyperlink. Whenever someone clicks on that particular area, it should move down to that particular section. Now this all takes a lot of time, but let's see an example here. And let's also compile this document in such a way that it is divided into multiple pages. Right now it's only on the 2 pages. Let's make it 4 pages so that we can see that how the page number works. So first of all, let's apply some page breaks. What we can do is, let's say we want to apply the page break after this 2 paragraphs. So after the end of the second paragraph, we will just hold the control key and press enter. So this is moved to the second page. Same thing we will do for each section. After 2 paragraphs, we will divide it into a separate section. So now it is turned to 4 pages. Now, in order to make it a table of content, what we can do is we can go to the references and go to the table of contents and select that. Now, in order to turn this document into table of contents, you first need to make sure that all of the headings are marked as headings of the Word document. What I mean by that, for example, this is the main heading, this is heading 1. You should make sure that in the home tab, it is identified as heading 1. And let's do it for heading 2. Now guys, your heading might be shown as a blue color. I have modified that, so you can modify that as well. Make it black or however you want, and then it should show like this. So I'll quickly turn this one to headings and quickly format all the document. You can follow that as well. Although it is identified as heading, the identification of the heading is through this sign. So let's quickly change it all to headings. And once all of them are identified as headings, what we can do is just simply put the cursor on the top. Remember, don't place the cursor in the middle of the word, otherwise the content will not show properly. Just move it to the top of the navigation, and then we will go to the references and go to the table of contents. Now guys, we have the automatic table 1, automatic table 2, and this is how it will show up. And we can create our own manual table as well, but automatic table is good enough. Let's use this, and we can see that immediately it converted it to the table of contents. Isn't this amazing? Not only that, it mentioned the accurate page numbers as well. Now let's say that it is showing page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4 and all. Let's say that these 2 areas or the last one is moved to page 5. Let's apply the page 5 here and let's see if it updates or not. So let's apply a page break here and let's go to the top. Now it is not updated, but as soon as I click on update table, update page numbers only, update the entire table. Let's update the entire table, click OK. And we can see now the page references have changed. Now, if I want to go to a particular area, as we can see here, it's showing us that you can hold the control key and then press the click to follow the link. So if you hold the control key, we can go directly to this particular area. Let's click it and see how amazing this is. Let's go back. Let's test again. If we can click on the page number, let's say page number 5. So we are on page number 5 now. So this is an amazing Word feature that you can try by yourself. It will save you a huge time, and you can also try the manual table. This is your project to customize this however you want. So guys, just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.